Hello friends. Today I'll show you how to move data one ISP to another ISP. Log into the admin panel. Check Policy, Package, and Subscribers. You'll see no data available. Log out from the admin panel. Go to the Super Admin panel. Click Copy Data. Select from ISP and from Branch. To ISP and to Branch. Choose the data type, example, Policy, Package area. Click Submit. You'll see a Data Copied Successfully message. Repeat the same steps to copy other data types one by one. Log out after copying. Log in again as admin. Now go to Policy, Package, and Area. All copied data will now be visible. Subscribers are still not copied. Move subscribers. Log out from the admin panel. Log in as Super Admin again. Open a new tab and log into the admin panel. Click Move Subscribers. Use the same steps. Choose Subscriber ID. Follow the process step by step. If something goes wrong, log into the admin panel. Go to Subscribers and check the subscriber ID. Then log out and log in again as Super Admin. Input the correct subscriber ID. And submit. You'll see a subscribers moved successfully message. Reload the admin panel. All moved subscribers will now appear. You can use the same process to move users between ISPs. Thanks for watching.